Hello and welcome to Care of Magical Creatures. My name is Scarlett and I work at the Brantford branch of the Swanee River Regional Library System. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Bowtruckle, which you may have seen in Fantastic Beasts and where to find them. If you signed up for our Harry Potter craft kit, you have all the materials to make this, but if not, there's a few things you'll need. First, you'll need 4 green pipe cleaners, a little bit of greenery, some green painter's tape or masking tape, and some scissors. So first, you want to take your first pipe cleaner and fold it in half, and then you're going to twist it. And twist. Alright. Like so. Alright. I'm going to take a second pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And you're going to take each of those pieces and you're going to fold them in half and twist them. Okay, go with the other piece. Alright. And then you're going to repeat that step all over again with your third pipe cleaner. You're going to chop it in half. Fold one half of it and twist. Do that with the other piece. And twist and twist. Okay, so now you'll have 4 little pieces. These are going to be your Bowtruckle's arms and legs. So you're going to take your first piece and just twist those guys on. Okay, so now you have your Bowtruckle's body. You want to take your little bit of greenery, make sure you squish, and then you can just slide that over. Almost there. Now you're going to take some green tape and you're just going to tear off little pieces. You don't need a lot. Just a little bit, and you're just going to wrap your Bowtruckle's body in this green tape. And your 4th pipe cleaner you can use to kind of add some more stability to your Bowtruckle. In fact, what you'll do for that is just take your 4th piece, cut it in half, if you like, just kind of wrap it around your Bowtruckle. If you find that he needs a little bit more stability. There we go. The tape will help a lot with this, but sometimes he needs a little bit of help. All right. And you're just going to cover your entire Bowtruckle's body with this green tape. continue wrapping, and what your final product will look like is this. Cute little Bowtruckle. All right, thank you so much for joining us for our virtual Harry Potter week. Please continue to check out our Facebook page for more virtual fun. Bye.